Hello everyone, my name is Spencer Fave, and today at the Central Jersey Arts Council, we're going to learn how to play a simple rock beat. For today's episode, we're going to take a step up from the last lesson and add a little twist to it. If you watch what we learned from the last lesson, this beat should be very easy for you. Let's start off nice and slow. I'm going to start off playing the bass drum first at a slow tempo as you follow along. Cool, once you get that down, let's incorporate the snare drum and bass drum at the same speed. Nice, now let's pick up the tempo just a little bit. Alright, now let's work on the hi-hat part. It should be very easy to do if you remembered what we did from the last episode. All right, so what I did there was open the hi-hat at the and before 1. So it would be like... Great, let's start upping the tempo on the hi-hat part now. All right, once we got down all the parts, let's take it nice and slow to incorporate everything all together. Cool, let's pick up the beat and try to follow along with the metronome. Great job. That right there is a nice rock beat that you guys can include to your playing. On that note, that's all the time we have at the Central Jersey Arts Council. I hope all of you enjoyed today's lesson. Until next time.